Hello, welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm doing a review of a single coin, so this won't be a hugely long video. This coin is an Isle of Man coin and it's one from 2021. It's one I've had in my possession for a while, but I've not done a video on it. This was one of the set of coins from the Isle of Man series for the Queen's 95th birthday. There you can see the logo for the 95th birthday, and this is the portrait that is on the reverse. It's one of the few that has two portraits of Her Majesty, and it says 95th birthday 50 pence around the top, and it has a up-to-date portrait of the Queen, or a more modern portrait of the Queen, celebrating her in more elderly life, shall we say. I quite like this portrait actually, and I wouldn't be disappointed to see it on our coinage. However, it's not. We still have the Jodie Clark 5th portrait. This, I believe, is part of a set of coins that the Isle of Man produced. I actually quite like this one, and I didn't get the whole set for whatever reason. I'm not 100% sure why. It was one of those things. I think I had other important things to do with my money at the time. However, I'm glad to have this coin in my collection now, and I'm more than happy to I'm more than happy to have it in my collection now. I lost my train of thought then for a minute. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I'm trying to grow my channel this year, so for the 20% or so of people who watch my videos on a regular basis but aren't yet subscribed, I'm appealing to you. If you believe I deserve the opportunity, then I would be absolutely delighted for you to subscribe and join me through the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc, etc. If you're I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy, and I hope that you will eventually subscribe to the channel. I'm looking to grow it to 100 subscribers by the end of this year, by Christmas, and if you can help me out by subscribing, I'd be grateful. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, from me, ta-da, bye-bye now.